Cheers and welcome to Bitter Reality Brewing. Yeah, you can own an iGulu, 50 bucks a month, but there's a better, it gets even better if you actually know the details. A lot of times you hear, oh, $50, and then there's all kinds of hidden prices and hidden costs. No, this is not only up front, but they're not even talking about things that you're ending up saving even more money on. So iGulu came to me recently, knowing that I'm a huge fan of the iGulu systems, anywhere from brewing their first pale ale kit, which I just thought was awesome, and doing experiments like I did the recent cider experiment where I had 4 going, all the same ciders, just different yeast, just to taste the difference. If you already own an iGulu, this is a great way to get another iGulu and try all their kits and even have fun messing around with some of their kits. So here's the deal. I'm gonna cut to the chase and just explain everything to you in pricing, then I'm gonna go over some details and why I think this is such an amazing deal. So if you go look, and this is for the iGulu F1, that's right. iGulu reached out to me and said, hey, we know you're a huge fan. We'd love to give you one of the first chances to, let everybody know the deal. I couldn't even find the link on the website. They had to send me a link. And yes, the link is an affiliate link, but it is a link to get you to this deal. I couldn't even find it through Google or directly through the main website, which is just so cool. So these are about $750 F1. This is like, the Cadillac. Same thing. And then there's a black one. They come in different colors, and colors, seem to change over time, but it's all cool. Even the kits, they'll run out of stock on one while they're getting others in, and then it'll refill. And they're constantly adding new kits, which is cool too. So let's say you want to buy an iGulu, but you really can't pony up $750, okay? Well, your total is going to be $900, but it's still a better deal, and I'll explain why. You pay $50 plus a refundable, you heard me, refundable $150 deposit. So $200 out the door. And that includes 2 beer kits. Now the beer kits run anywhere from $20 to $50 a piece. So let's just say $30 as a ballpark. So that's $60 in beer kits free, and there's no shipping. No shipping, you heard me, no shipping. And every month when you pay that $50, you get to pick the 2 kits you want, and they'll send them to you, no shipping. And it doesn't matter if it's the $50 wine kit or the $20 wheat kit, they just ship them to you, no shipping, just the $50 a month. So that's 36 gallons of beer, cider, kombucha, whatever you want to talk about. And the reason that's so cool is that you've got literally 2 different beers every month, or a cider and a beer, or you do the same cider, say, hey, I want 2 and I'm going to add cranberry juice to one or some ginger to the other one. Or let's say your wife goes, I hate beer, like mine. You got your wine. You could do kombucha, which actually non-alcoholic or so low it's very insignificant. Your wife or your significant other likes wheat beers. Boom, you got a Hefeweizen. Oh, but she likes it as a raspberry Hefeweizen. You get the Hefeweizen, add a little bit of raspberry preserves in there, let it ferment. Yeah, it's gonna be a nice raspberry Hefeweizen. Same thing with their lager. You could do a blueberry lager. You could do ginger saison. You got the Bitter Reality Brewing. Yeah, the Belgian saison. Oh, it's really good with some ginger. Just telling you, it is. You got the pale ale kit. You got like the Helles. They had a sour on there. I haven't done that one yet, but that was the Berliner Weiss kombucha. And I mean, when you make kombucha, you just add your own juice, and you could just keep one machine doing nothing but serving kombucha forever and turn around to the next machine and be doing your kits every 2 weeks. Another thing you could do is kind of rotate where you have one going while one's fermenting, and when this is finished, this is done. You got your English porter. Sorry, that one got a little stained. You got an amber ale, a German Pilsner, a hard apple cider, you got the sparkling wine, you got the new English IPA, you got the IPA, I think it's a Citra double IPA, which is in this, still have a little bit left. The ciders I slammed. Lager, yeah, this is a golden lager. You could do so much with a golden lager. I mean, you could add spices to it. I brewed a beer one time using tea. You could add, what would be great with this? A little coarse salt and lime. Yeah, kind of like your Mexican lager, for the summertime. And this thing is pretty low. I want to say this one's around 4.5%. Some of them are much higher. But think about that, 36 gallons included. Or you can say it's for the $150 price difference. But that's still a steal. I mean, that is an amazing deal. If you want to pick up a second one or want to pick up two, you could do 2 leases. And at the end of the 18 months, you own it. You don't owe anything. You own it. It's yours. There's no buyout. So $50 a month. There is a $150 refundable deposit. Do check the link. Go to the website. Research everything. Just make sure you're good with it all. And if you are, I mean, $200 out of pocket up front, $50 a month. Cancel anytime. Yeah, you cancel anytime. You can say, I don't want any more. I'm sending it back. I just, it's just not for me. Or my wife's yelling at me all the time because I can't stop drinking all kinds of good beer because she stresses me out, so I drink more beer. Yeah, don't yell at somebody. If they're a smoker, don't yell at them because they're going to keep smoking. You got to be nice about it. But yeah, these things are awesome. They're easy to use. You get the little RF code in here. It's not RF. What is that thing? Yeah, it's an RF. Boom. Yep, I was right. And instantly, it's setting the temperature, it's gonna ferment it. The hardest thing about brewing great beer, cider, or wine is consistent fermentation temperature. Guess what you have? Consistent fermentation temperature. Now, I'm not trying to sell you on a bunch of things, but I do wanna recommend one thing that I would highly recommend, probably 2, but at least 1, and it's the same thing. Buy a spare keg. Maybe 2 spare kegs for 2 reasons. One, let's say you add 4 ounces of corn sugar because you want to make that IPA an imperial. That's fine. Halfway through the fermentation, you can do a transfer using the extra hose you have. Move it over here so you can get it off of that extra trub that gets built up. That way, you're freeing up the beer, you move it over, you clean the other keg. Or let's say you brew something, you go, my wife likes this, but she's going on a trip for 2 weeks. You take the keg out, throw it in the fridge, put a fresh keg in, brew something else. That's right. You could actually get 4 kits in 2 months, brew everything, have 4 kegs. They do come with a keg. They do come with a keg, so don't get me on that. I'm talking spares. And then you can have a bunch of friends over for an event or a party. You're talking $100 party basically because you got 4 kegs, 1 gallon, 4 kegs of whatever the heck you want to make. You can do an apple, a cider, you can do a wine, you could do a lager, an IPA. Make sure you take care of all your friends. I mean, the possibilities are endless. They just are. The limitation to what you can brew, ferment, and serve on an iGulu is only limited by your imagination. I promise you, it's only limited to your imagination. So go check out the link below. Let me know what you think. If you have any questions, holler at me, holler at iGulu. They're really good at answering questions very quickly. Cheers, I appreciate you. Yeah, nice lager. Yeah, it's getting hot here in Florida already. Cheers.